It's not just a jet. It's a statement of power, precision, and pure ambition. This is the Gulfstream G800, the longest-range private jet on Earth. While most dream of flying first class, the 0.1% are rewriting the skies in this masterpiece. And what makes it worth $75 million? Stick around. We're taking you inside the future of ultra-elite travel. Gulfstream has been crafting private jets for over 6 decades, but the G800 is their most ambitious leap yet. Born from the legendary G650 lineage, the G800 pushes the limits of engineering, design, and performance, all while delivering unmatched luxury. Let's talk numbers. Range: a staggering 8,000 nautical miles, non-stop from New York to Dubai or London to Perth. Top speed Mach 0.935 is nearly the speed of sound. Engines: 2 Rolls-Royce Pearl 700s, delivering raw thrust with surgical smoothness. This isn't a jet, it's a missile with a minibar. Step inside, and you're no longer in a plane. You're in a 5-star suite at 51,000 feet. 4 living zones, fully reclining beds, high-speed Wi-Fi, whisper-quiet cabins. And yes, the lighting adjusts to your time zone, so you arrive refreshed, not wrecked. Even the air is cleaner, 100% fresh every 2 to 3 minutes. Pilots aren't left out either. The G800's Symmetry flight deck is next-gen, touchscreen controls, advanced avionics, and active control side sticks. It's not just fly-by-wire, it's fly-by-wizardry. In a world where time is the most valuable currency, the Gulfstream G800 is how the elite invest it. Because when you're playing at the top, private isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. Liked what you saw? Hit that subscribe button. We've got more from the skies coming soon.